Hi everyone, welcome back. So today, as you can tell by the title of this video, this is going to be yet another fragrance haul video because we love fragrances here on this channel. If you guys want to see all of the new fragrances I've kind of accumulated, then just keep watching. So I have 6 new fragrances. 5 are full size and 1 is travel size. I'm definitely going to start trying my best to buy more travel size fragrances instead of full size unless it's something that I absolutely love. So the very first fragrance that I want to talk to you guys about is the newest one to my collection that I just picked up, and the only travel size is Victor & Roth Good Fortune. So I literally just picked this up like a week or 2 ago. So yeah, this is what it looks like. So the main accords are white floral, vanilla, soft spicy, floral, fresh, sweet, powdery. The top notes are fental, gentiana. Middle notes are jasmine, and base notes are Madagascar vanilla. So I don't really know how I feel about this one. You know what? I'm gonna just spray this one on my hand. So it's beautiful, it's soft, it's girly, it's feminine, it's vanilla. Like, I get that vanilla very, very heavy in the first like few seconds of it, but then after that it starts to dry down. And I'm a vanilla girl. I love anything that has vanilla in it in the base, because normally, you know, that's when you get the most of the vanilla, it's in the end. But this, I rarely smell the vanilla in this anymore. I don't like it. I do not like it. Like, I might try to wear it, but it's something about it. I don't like it. It stinks. Like, I don't know what it is, but it's not good. It's not good. And I was so sad because, like I said at the beginning, the opening is so beautiful. If it stayed like that, that would have been perfect. But this is not dry down with vanilla. So I don't like it. It's a no. I don't like it. Next fragrance is by Dolce & Gabbana. This is the Dolce line, and this one is Lily. This is the bottle. Very, very pretty. I love the Dolce line bottles. They are so adorable. I have the 1 fluid ounce. I actually have a couple of the Dolce. So this is my 4th one. I really like it, and it smells really, really good. So the main accords are citrus, tropical, white floral, fruity, sweet, fresh, musky, rose, powdery, and aromatic. Top notes are passion fruit, lemon, and bergamot. Middle notes lily and rose, and then the base notes are musk, vanilla, and sandalwood. So I am not a rose lover, so I wasn't sure if I was gonna like it. So it's so pretty. It's a very pretty, bright opening, very citrusy. The passion fruit makes it very sweet and fruity. It dries down a little bit. You can definitely get some of the rose in here. And again, I'm not a rose lover, but it is a really pretty soft rose. I feel like it's not overpowering. It's not doing too much because I don't like rose. To me, this is just a very fruity, citrusy scent. It's very sweet. It's very juicy, very pretty. Like, this is definitely a good one to have. Absolutely love this one, and I would highly, highly recommend you checking this out. So next, this one I'm on the fence about. I have to wear it and try a little bit more, but this is some of y'all new favorite, and this is none other than Burberry Her EDT. It just looks just like the original Burberry Her, except for that one is pink and this is green. I also got the 1 fluid ounce bottle, and so it looks like this, just a little bit of a green tinge, and y'all love this. Y'all love it, but I'm like, I'm on the fence, y'all. I don't know if I like this. So the main accords are fruity, fresh, sweet, white floral, floral, musky, rose, powdery, and woody. The top notes are pear, strawberry, blackcurrant, pink pepper. Middle notes are peony, honeysuckle, lily of the valley, rose, and base notes are musk and cedar. Y'all love this. When this came out, y'all went crazy for it. Like, I don't know, y'all. I don't know. I have to say, I don't know that I'm a fan of pear scents. Like, I think I might have something else with pear in it, and I don't know. Automatically, as soon as you smell it, it's pear. I get some of the black currant. I can smell the pink pepper. I think what it is that I can actually smell the rose in this. Like, I can really get a lot of that rose in this one. And I am just not a rose. I'm gonna spray a little bit on my skin. I'm gonna just be in here smelling like anything. Yeah, I hate the pear in this. Like, I don't like it. It smells bitter. Like, it doesn't, it smells bitter. I get a lot of that, and I get a lot of the rose in here. I don't think I like it, y'all. I would have to wear it with a few things. Maybe I can pair it with some things, some different lotions or something like that, to see if I can switch out and bring out some of the other scents in here. But right now, all I'm getting is pear and rose. Pear rose. Pear rose. We'll see. Moving on to a scent that I know I actually like. Moschino. This is Moschino Toy 2 Bubblegum. Y'all know why I got this, right? I got this to pair with none other than Bath and Body Works Bubblegum Pop. I also got this to go with, if you haven't seen my review, if you haven't seen my unboxing already, I purchased some scents from Sugar Milk Co. to put it with the Princess Bubblegum. Y'all, I love this. I love this so much. And I haven't really heard any of the people that I watch talk about this one. So I don't know if they have it. But I got the giant bottle. I don't even buy big bottles of perfume anymore. But this one was at a steal. I don't remember how much this is full price. I want to say it's in the 80s or maybe a little bit more. I got this for $46. From Joma Shop. If you have not checked out Joma Shop, it's one of those online stores that sells luxury, designer, you know, things at a discounted price. And look at the bottle. It is adorable. One of the most adorable-esque bottles I have. So, the main accords are fruity, sweet, rose, and tropical. And I know you're thinking rose, but you hate rose. I absolutely do. But this is not bad. So, top notes are candied fruits, lemon, bitter orange, middle notes, bubblegum, Bulgarian rose, blueberry, peach, cinnamon, peach blossom, and ginger. And base notes, musk, cedar, and ambroxan. Y'all, this is so good. So good. So, when you spray it, immediately it's bubblegum. Immediately it's bubblegum. It's amazing. But then it starts to dry down and you get the rose. This is the prettiest rose I've ever encountered because I hate rose. Rose is usually grandma scents. But the bubblegum stays. It stays. It don't linger, like, it doesn't stay like heavy in the forefront, but it's so pretty. This is a scent that is done so well. Let me just spray a little bit. It's done so well. So well. It's a juicy piece of bubblegum. I love it. This is definitely a sweet, fruity fragrance. Like, it's sweet and it's fruity. But you definitely get a little bit of that ambroxan and woodiness towards the end. But if you pair it with a lot of sweet bubblegummy scents, you'll get that scent for a long period of time. I love this. Absolutely number one, hands down. One of the best scents I've picked up so far, other than the last one I'm gonna show you. That's my number one. But this is amazing. Go get this. Second from last, we have Jimmy Choo Illicit. looks like that. This is a older scent. This came out some years ago, but you can definitely still find this in Ulta and Macy's and everything else. Like, but I got mine from Fragrance Net. So actually my mom picked this one up for me too. She bought it for me. This one was super inexpensive. I think this was like $25 for this one fluid ounce. The main accords are honey, sweet, citrus, warm, spicy, white floral, amber, woody, caramel, powdery, and floral. Top notes are ginger, bitter orange. Middle notes are jasmine, orange blossom, and rose. And then I can't believe how many of my fragrances have rose in it for me not to like it. But anyways, base notes are honey, amber, caramel, vanilla, sandalwood, and cashmere wood. This is good. If you like gourmand scents, you will love this. The honey in this is so good. I don't get a lot of the ginger, but I get a little bit of ginger. It gives a little bit of a spice, but it's not bad. It's definitely a very heavy like caramel sandalwood scent, but it's good. It's good and I love it. This was a really, really good buy, and for $25, you can't beat this. This is the only scent that is going to be harder for you to find. You can find it on eBay, Poshmark, but the prices are pretty steep for this perfume because they don't make this anymore. This is Juicy Couture's Viva La Juicy Sucré. This is amazing, y'all. So this is the bottle. So pretty, so pretty. And I got the 1.7 size. I love this bottle. It's beautiful to display. It's so good. But I heard this was very close to or very similar to Viva La Juicy Gold, which I love that. That's one of my favorite scents ever, like warm, gourmand, fall, winter scents. That's one of my favorites. But just look at the bottle for a second. So pretty. So let's get to getting, because this video is getting kind of long. The main accords are sweet, vanilla, fruity, lactonic, cacao, almond, and warm, spicy. Like, don't those notes just sound amazing, right? So top notes are red currants, mandarin orange, and gardenia. Middle notes, almond, peach, orange blossom, and jasmine. Base notes, whipped cream, vanilla, cacao, and sandalwood. Just the best of the best. Like, it's so good. Even out the bottle, it's so good. And I don't know, these Viva La Juicy perfumes stay really, really well. Like, they last really, really well on my skin. So let me be careful. It smells so yummy. Like, I definitely see why a lot of people compare it to Viva La Juicy Gold. So if you can't get your hands on this, or you don't want to get your hands on this because it's super expensive, try the Viva La Juicy Gold. That one's good. Red currant for sure. Peach and orange blossom, yes. That whipped cream vanilla combination is just beautiful, y'all. Like, this one is by far my absolute favorite, and I have definitely worn it a few times, but I wear it sparingly, honestly, because they don't make this. Like, you can no longer get this, and the price for this is going over $100 for this bottle. And I don't remember how much it was originally, but whatever, it's good. I just want to smell this all day long. Like, I want to wear this. It's so good. It's the definition of a sweet, fruity vanilla. If you think of sweet, fruity vanilla, this is this. This sweet, fruity, it's sweet, it's fruity, it's vanilla. Like, amazing. I love this so bad. But yeah, all right, guys, that is it. That is all of my newer purchases this month. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if there's any fragrances that you want to see a review on or some combinations with, because I think I want to start incorporating that in my channel, because honestly I love scent and I love watching those type of videos. So if you guys like that type of stuff, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below what you guys want to see next. So until next time,